Hi guys, welcome again to my tutorial. Let's go ahead and turn on our server files or our zone server. Yeah, as I mentioned, I will teach you how to install skin for your server or for a specific um, armor that you want to have a skin. So let's go ahead. So I have here the RF pricing client. We all know that a pricing has so many skin. Let's go ahead and get some skin in this RF. I'm so tired, but I want you guys to know something right now, so that's why I wanted to help you with this one. Okay. Yeah, let's go ahead and log in first. You guys know or encountered sometimes that the DDS file um, is like it's locked or you cannot open it on the what do you call this one? You cannot open it on the Photoshop. So like this one, the omicru underscore ax. Actually, you cannot open this file in Photoshop. It will give you an error. So let me go ahead and see. See, this is an error that you will get when you open this kind of files. As you can see here, it's only the image. It says only PS or like this one. And it will not come out like this one, the Mirror blazing. The Mirror you can as you can see, Mirror blazing is you can open the Mirror blazing here on the Photoshop, but this one, this kind of files, um, you really you will gonna have a problem with this one actually if you're gonna open it to the Photoshop because you cannot open this file. So how the question is how can you open this file? So yeah, I'm gonna teach you. Oh, just an heads up, this is not the tutorial that I will give you, but um, for the knowledge, yeah, I can give you the answer for that question. So, yeah, let's go ahead and paste this one here. And then drag this down to rft-dds.xc. Oh, that's one. So as you can see now um, the image because I already drag it down here in rft.dds. So yeah, I can already open it and this is the uprising logo because they don't want everyone to use this skin. So they put a logo in this one. So yeah, well, how can you how can you lock this item again? So the answer is you have to drag it down again back to rft-dds.exe so that it will lock. So that's the answer. Oh, by the way, this is not, as I mentioned, this is not my tutorial because my real tutorial right now is how to put a skin on the armor. So like this one, okay. Let's go ahead. Okay, let's go ahead to um yeah, let's go ahead here on my RF tutorial files. So let's go to files and then now, okay, guys, in order to copy a skin, what you have to do is you need number one, you need the text files of the skin. Number two, you need the mesh files of the skin. And then number three, you need the effects, or let's say the shape file, the shape file files of the skin. And the fourth is the effect list text, the pattern list text, the I'm so sorry. Let's see here. The yeah, this one, you need this to be accurate. Let's put it here, and then this one, and then this one. Okay, and then the particle. This is the important part because this one is um the one who will dictate the skin to glow. Okay, and let me explain to you later. So also number five, you need the AFF files mm, of the skin. So where can you get the EFF? It's on the chip, and then you have to go here. Yeah. So I am going to, and then the sixth is the SPT files. So this is the important files that you need to get when you are installing a skin on your um, server. Okay, so first So yeah, let's do the first step. Okay, let's install the text and the mesh of the file. Okay. All right. I am so tired, but don't worry, I will teach you about this one. All right. Yeah. This is the one that we need. The AFF and also the SPT file, because we are installing um the red dragon armor. So copy this one and put it here. Oh, by the way, guys, this is the armor text that we have. So I just need to copy the AFF and also the the SPT of the file. So here is the AFF files. What I'm gonna do here is let's make the folder name AFF. Copy this one, put it on the AFF file. Oh, I am copying the uprising files, guys. So the dragon armor that we will installing is from the um, uprising client. So let's go ahead and copy the four text here. This one, and this one. All right, put it here so that um, it will be separated so that it is not hard for us to get the files. Okay, so this is the text files, which is .dds. This is the text files of the armor, and this is the mesh file of the armor. I already get it on the files. Yeah, character, player, and mesh. So this is the dragon armor. Just here, drag M or dragon red. So this is the dragon armor red. Okay, this is the mesh file. So the text file is actually here. You can see you can see it on the uprising client. This one on the text. This is the location actually. Character, player, then text. So without further ado, let's do it. Okay. So what you're gonna do here is the um, you need the resource resource.edf in the client of the RF uprising. Why? It's because you will copy um, the bones, and you need to make a path for text files, and also you need to make a path for mesh files. So that's it. Why is it the resource? Because all of the path of the skin is here. So how can I let's say how can I get this one if I don't have the STRs or STRS, um, the one that we can open to Structorian? So the answer is the parser. Yeah, you really need a parser right now because um, this is very important because it will make, as I mentioned, and always saying that I always say that it will make your life easy. I promise you guys. Let's rename this converter and then put the parser here. So this is not a tutorial for parser, but yeah, well, so the database, you're gonna put here the database. Okay, and we're good to go. So the next step is okay. So the next step is you need to go to settings, make it AOP, and then make it en.ph, make it 2, save, and then select all, change, it will skip the in the map and the map. So start so that these things, the binary file missing will gone after the um, saving here. So just wait for a while. But yeah, and and after that, this resource that EDF you need to cut and then put it here on the database, GUIN, and then in this section, the data table. But after the saving, because it will just overwrite um, the resource that EDF. So we really need to wait right now for the files to be saved, and then after that we can go and continue to do what we are doing. Okay, so actually the parser license, it's only, I think it's $25. But if you buy this one, it will make your life easier. That's why I recommend parser right now. Because in the future, I will give you a hint how to get or how to copy a a RF server using these tools that we have right now. But for now, let's focus on what we are doing. Let's just wait for this one to save. So yeah, here is the files that is saving right now. Let's just wait. Actually, guys, you can skip this one if you are watching the video, so that you can go ahead. And so let's wait until it finish. The saving is very important before you use the tools or the parser tools because um, uh, if you're not going to save the yellow files here, as you can see, it's all yellow except for the map and the indie map, because the parser is asking that you must save these files. So it is finished now. So what we're gonna do here is that um, yeah, I just refresh it and then select change. So as you can see, there is no changes anymore. So when I click the select change, it will uncheck all um, the files that are not saved yet or are not changed yet. So let us paste the resource that ADF that we cut earlier, and then here he is. Why did I copy the uprising resource EDF in here? Because what we're gonna do is we will convert this one to um we're gonna convert this one to Excel. So that's the purpose. As you can see, this is not green yet because there was no conversion that happened. So yeah, it's the bone is on the 7, the mesh is on 2135, and then the ani is on, yeah, it's on 2058. So what we can do is we need to convert this one. So click the bin and then update by link and start. So that's it. All the files or all the directory of the skins of RF uprising is already here in your resource EDF. So what you can do is to open it again and then check. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's the skill force, that's why. So so let's check the resource again, not the skill force. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry guys. So let's click the bin files or the bin to XLSX and then click the update by link. Start. Okay. That's the result of um, if you have a work during the night and then you make a tutorial this morning. So yeah. Oh, as you can see, it's green now, and then as you can see, the mesh is all green, and it adds up. As you can see, okay. And so what we're gonna do right now is to go to your files, your own parser files here, and then um, okay, I'm so sorry. So before you open it, you need to copy this one because you cannot open the both player.xlsx. So you need to open again the converted files, which is I copy it, and this is the name. And then also you have to go to your own parser, the own parser of your server. So go to resource and then go to player and then go to player.xlxs. Okay. So, all you need to do is drag it down here, and then also this one. You need to find the Dragon Armor mesh and text. So all you need to do, or Dragon Armor mesh, because it's really important. So here, as you can see here, it's let's see, it doesn't add up. Oh yeah, it's okay. Just disregard the mesh, the Annie. Just focus to the mesh right now. Okay, all you need to do is to find the dragon armor. Where is the dragon armor? Here. No, this is not the dragon armor. Oh, by the way, how can you get the dragon armor mesh? So all you need to do is to unpack the RFT so that you can see um, what is the correct dot MSH that you will copy. All right. RF is unpack. So this is the mesh. All you need to do is copy this one and then paste it here. All right. So this is the mesh of the dragon armor. So this is the complete mesh because I see here that it's 193. So all you need to do is to copy this one together with um, this code. This is important. So you really need to copy this one, copy and put it on your own. I'm so sorry. Let's see. And put it on your own. I'm just making sure that it's not here. On your own files. So that's it. So you need to make it a yellow one so that you will see it clearly. Um, this is for the Acacia. So we're done for the Acacia. So let's go ahead for the, oh, it's all here. So you just need to copy this one for the Bellato, for male and for the female Bellato. And then, yeah, to recognize the so you can recognize if that's for Cora or that's for Acri or that's for Bellato. Okay, all you need to do is to put a color again. So here is the mesh that we have. So go back to your mesh and then delete all of this because it's all here on this one. It's all here. Let's check this one. All right. This is also. Yeah, forget this one. Let me check. Select all, copy. Let me check if there is a. Ah, yeah. Forget this one. So that's it. We already copy these files from RF Uprising resource.edf to your or to your own resource.edf. All right. Did you get what I am telling here? It depends upon you. Okay, so let's just close this one. Okay, we're good with the resource, okay? So the second thing that we need to do is let's go to in here and let's go to item and then upper. Okay, let's go to upper and then you have to go also here and then copy the uprising. You need to copy the uprising item sorry item dot edf. I'm so sorry. This one, copy this one. Oh, sorry. Okay, copy this one and put it on the converter or the parser that um, on the data table. Then refresh this one again. Okay, and then you need to select the item EDF start. Make sure that that is the bin to XLSX and then update by link. Make sure that you have clicked this two option. Okay, it's converting now. So what I am doing here is that I am converting the item of uprising to my to the parser converter, or I just naming it as a converter because I am converting the item.adf into Excel. So that's what it is doing right now. Because you need the code and you need the exact item. If you get what I am telling here. So that's it. It's in converting right now. How many minutes we're recording right now? It's 33 minutes. So there will be a part two that will be posted tomorrow. Because when you are installing or when you are stealing the skin of other server, it's really hard and it's really um, time consuming. So that's it. It's already converted. Okay. So as I can see here, let's go to the upper because we are installing the armor. So you must go to the upper and then copy this one and then open the copy files because this is the main files that we have. Okay, so all you need to do is okay, drag it down because you will be inserting the files here. So as you can see, we already converted the files and this is the result. The only thing that we have here is the code. The name, let me see if the name is here. All right, the name is not here. So just name it whatever you want, okay? All right. By the way, how can I know that this is the dragon armor? All right. Yeah, the answer is on these three files. Let me go ahead and check this one. Okay, go here and go here, or sorry, here. And it's not here. It's here. Yeah. So this is the answer. The item or the effect list file. You just open this three to or this two to Notepad. Just search for dragon. All right, here we go. Dragon armor, and it's 614. So you have to copy the 614, paste it here, and then go to item effect list, and then yeah, and there it is, the 614 files. So the code of the armors is started with this one and then um, ended with this one. So how would you know if that is for Acrisha, that is for Cora, and that is for Belado? So the 400 here is for Acri. I, I'm so tired, guys, but let's do this. So 400 is for Acrisha. I don't know if that's the correct spelling. And the 700 here is for Bilalo. I'm sorry. And the 800 here is for Cora. Okay, so this is the code, I think, for the upper. So let's see. F, mhm, it's not here. So let's go with this one. Okay, it's not here. Maybe it's two because it's upper. It's not here. Let me check. The one that ends in FF. Okay, let's go ahead and search for FF. Hmm, okay, it's not here. Um, let's see. Um, let me check. Oh, Infernal Dragon. Oh, this is the correct one. I'm so sorry, guys. Let's check it again on the item effect. Oh, it's not here. Mm, here. So, well, yeah. So it says here that the armor is on C2, 700 C2. So let's check if it's here. I'm so sorry. This one I think. Oh, that's it. And so this is the, yeah, this is the C2. Let me check again. So this is the Infernal Dragon Armor. Because, yeah, it's Infernal Dragon Armor. So this is the correct one. So this is the code. Seven started with the race code, and then um, for the upper it's 2 C2. For the lower it's 3 C2. Gloves 4 C2. Shoes 5 C2, and for the helmet it's 0 C2. So that's it. Okay. All we need to do is to copy this one. Yeah. We need to copy this. First of all, we need to make a block. So let's copy this Beelzebub, or Beelzebub. Let's copy this. Put it here. Just no fill, so that we can. All right. So what you need to all you need to do is to make this one. Oh, by the way, guys, I will make also a tutorial how to get the icon for these items. All right, put it here. So make sure that there is no the same code like this one. So all you need to do is to search if there is a possible code, duplicate code. So as I can see here, it's only one, so it's good. So that's it. This is the so this is the code of the dragon armor. So let's see if it's here on the game. I just want to make sure that you guys know that this is not a fake tutorial. So as I see here is a fail grammar logic. So it's good. Okay. Now you need to copy this one in the client file. So the client file of the upper is on one decrypt here. This is the server files, and this is the client files. So you just need to copy this one until 71 because it's 7471 here. Okay, copy, and it's done. It's automatically copying the server files. So save it, and then what you're gonna do is close this one, and close this one, and don't save it. And then since that you have the resource file, just save it. Okay, all you need to do is copy this text files, copy this one, and then put it on your own client files. So I'm gonna put it here on my client files. Character, player, text. So all I need to do is to put it here. Alright, it's here now. And then let's go to the mesh. Let's copy this mesh to mesh files folder. Sorry. Right, it's here now. And then all you need to do is to save the files that you have edited. This is it. This is my main files. So I'm gonna save that one, the one that I have edited, and then on let's check on the client on yeah, just click the select change because it will automatically select the one that you change and then start. All right, let's see. Okay, just don't mind this duplication found. We can actually or I can actually change the codes here, but it's so time consuming. So let's keep that and close the RF now, then close the um, server or the zone server. And then copy. All you need to do is click the date modified so that the new save item is on the upper. Okay, click and copy, and then put this one to your server files on the bin and then script. Put this one here and then put the dated just if you don't want to um never mind, just copy the item and then copy the resource, also this one enph, copy and put it on your own client data table. Replace, and so run the server, and then you have to check it on game. Oh, by the way, guys, there is no effects right now because I just want to show you how to put the armor on, or the skin armor on the character, or I'm so sorry, I'm so exhausted right now, so I don't know what I am saying here. But I just wanted to give you a heads up because this is a part 1 video on how to make skin with um, how to make a new skin with this .dds files and mesh files that you have that you got on other RF. So this is the main reason why I am making this tutorial. So yeah, on the part 2 of this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make or how to put the effects. So you guys have to wait for the part 2 of this tutorial. because it's really hard to make a tutorial with this kind of installation, the skin installation. And also, I am so exhausted, and I have a work at night. That's why I'm so tired. So it's gonna be on part two. Let's just check. What code did I make? Mhm. Let's just check here. Item upper level 80. Just make yourself level 80, and then yeah, IUBWX01. IUBWX01. Okay. Mhm. Gold skill 99. Mhm. Range skill. Mhm. So yeah, let's make ourselves level 75. Mhm. Okay. Okay, let's make ourselves level 50. Well, it's level 75, so let's edit this one. I'm so sorry. Make it level 1 so that we can test this thing. Yeah, save this one. Oh my gosh, why is this cancel? Alright, all we need to do is to, right, select changes, start. Okay, alright, let's copy this one again. I'll just restart the server. Yes, just copy the script files, the upper, into the script, and then just open up the server, and then copy the database, data table, sorry, to the client files. And then just wait for the server to open, and then let's try again. Let's just wait for a while, guys, server to load up. All right, let's open the client. Q2, 1, 2, 3. Let's start. How many minutes? Oh my gosh, it's going to be an hour right now, so it's really exhausted. I will just finish this one and then let's go and upload this on YouTube. If you guys would like to, oh, as you can see here, there is no skin appearing here. So what we're gonna do is to check the, let's check. Mm, let's go to parser, data table, view in, resource, layer. So it's on the layer. Mhm. Go to your client files and then go to character and then layer, text files. Mhm. It's here. And then let's go ahead and check the mesh files. And it's also here. Mhm. What are we missing? Oh, yeah, I see it. We have messed the code. Just go ahead and put one, put one, one, one. Then save, close, and then you have to exit again. Select changes, and it's select the resource because we changed the resource.edf. And then close again because it's already saved. Out, and then put it copy the resource files, put it on the client data table, overwrite or replace, open again the client and check Q2 1 2 3. Just wait for the files to load. Let's check on. Oh, there is no. Let's check here. Create Acacia, and then here. Okay, let's check. Go again to database, GUN, item, and then upper. Skip the tutorial. Go and make yourself level 50 when you log in. All skill 9999. Okay, so let's try to summon the item. It's here. IUW IUAWX WX01. Is it? Oh my gosh, it's still the same. So let's see again. Go to resource file, layer, Excel. Go ahead and check. Mhm. Sports, draw, character, mesh, and text. Okay, let's go ahead and troubleshoot this one. Why is it that um, there is no? Okay, maybe we can move this one or. All right, let me check again if on the uprising parser, the upper. Resource file. Let's check. Well, actually, it's here. Well, it's correct. 193, 193. All we need to see is um, for the client. I'm just making sure that we are on the same page. Um, yeah. Actually, the upper um, of the text file is here already. So let's go to the mesh. It's here. Maybe we could do this one. Copy this one. Put it on the RFS. And then unpack. Put this one on the mesh. Right? So let's see if there's changes on the client. Let's see. Oh, that's it. So I forgot to unpack the RFS files. That's why it um, cannot read the item. So that's it. This is the red, but as you can see, there is no effects here. So the next tutorial will be the effects for this armor. Okay? So that's it. I love you guys and goodbye for now. I will make it to part 2 for this tutorial. Bye bye.